back. Let me just unbox this intake manifold that I bought from Ford Piston. I got it ported, and I got a 0.5 inch spacer. I ordered it on May 13th, and today is June 26th, and I believe they shipped it out yesterday. So the shipping was fast. Let's see what the supporting looks like. Let's open it up. So yeah, it took me basically like a month to get this, because this is basically like impossible to get. I got it in all black. But they didn't have a spacer that was black, so I spoke to Luke and he gave me a spacer that was in silver, so I'll probably just spray paint the silver and yeah, just spray paint it black. Spacer's already attached, I don't have to do anything to it. Let me just take all this plastic off of it, this foam off of it. Alright, let me attach the, it's a 0.50 liter actually, it says it right there. I know I have to, comes with all the hardware here. I have a 74 inch millimeter throttle body, so let's see what this feels like. See if I could get a good, actually let me try to, if anything, turn on the light. Let me turn on my phone light and see if you can see in there. You can see the lines basically. Let's pour it out as much as possible. Yeah, so far so good. Not getting enough power off of this. Like I said, this is a Skunk2 Intake Manifold Ultra Street. The hardware's over here. Open. It does come with a thermal gasket on it. So shouldn't be a biggie. Alright, it comes with the filter. Alright, I'm gonna show you what it comes with. The filter. It comes with, I believe this is the throttle body cable bracket. Comes with a hose. Comes with the line. The line's like 1 foot long. And it comes with all the accessories to whatever, if it's GSR and B16 heads, Type R heads, the gasket. I don't know, I've seen better material off of this gasket, but I'll most likely use it because I wanted everything in black. But the silver doesn't look that bad, to be honest. I mean, for me to remove everything and spray paint it black, I'll probably just mess around and ooh, that looks real good. What's it called? The lighting, but come on, look at that. There's that focus in there. It looks very, very sweet. Hell yeah. I better gain like 20 horsepower. I need something here. I did spend like $822. I'm shooting for 20 more horsepower. So if I don't get 20 more horsepower with this ported Skunk2 Street Ultra Intake Manifold, I'm gonna be disappointed. Like, damn. Let's come with the other bracket. This, to be honest, I probably won't even put it on. It does go here, but you know, I'll probably just leave it like, Yeah, I believe it goes better with that, because then it's gonna show too much silver for me. So I might as well just slap this on and just have black on it. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna do for 4th of July. I'm gonna post this up today. That I purchased. I have a few people that purchased fireworks as well. And all that other crazy stuff. I'm gonna post this up, and then